Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Microsoft Store. Something happened on our end. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store. Just right click on it and select app settings. Just need to scroll down. Select the repair option. Select the reset option. Now you just need to close tab here and go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to find Microsoft install service, Microsoft Store install service. Double click on it. Startup type set this to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start the service and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close tab here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.